Okay, so we have a new one right here. This is the Fahren Terminator LED headlights for my car. This version is the H7. And, well, let me pull them out of here before we put them on the car. Oh, this box is actually really nice. Look at that. And, of course, comes with work gloves if you want to wear them. If you're unlike me, you have the user's manual right here, and then we have the little LEDs in here. These are actually really bright, and they are one-to-one with the OEM LED size. I already tested them. Yes, they are one-to-one, and this is the build inside. There's a tiny little circuit in there. In my car, it did not do any flickering, but in some cars, if it does flickering, contact them and they'll send you one of those anti-flicker packages, whatever you call that, and that's it. It has enough gap for air there, like a little fence, and you have the fan inside. I'm not sure if you can see the fins of the fan, but they're inside there. And yep, the two prongs for at least the 2013 GLK Mercedes. But in other cars, they have other vehicles. You have plus and minus right there, so you can adjust it. In my car, I noticed I actually didn't even check the plus and minus, and it just worked. So yeah, we'll go install it on the car and see how that goes. We'll turn the lights on and off so you can see the end results. So let's go there. Okay, just forgive the noise, and that's where the socket is. And well, looks like we're done here. At that, and no messages on the screen. That is absolutely beautiful. So I would say these are a beautiful success. Really nice.